Hey everyone, check out the ONETWOFIT Heavy Duty Pull-Up Bar for your home gym. This upgraded fitness bar fits almost any doorway from 23 to 36 inches wide. It is made of thickened steel to safely support up to 440 pounds. The clever design lets you walk through the doorway normally without taking it down. You can comfortably do pull-ups, push-ups, and sit-ups with the multi-grip foam handles. The full coverage foam protector keeps your door frame completely safe from marks and damage. Transform your home or office into a personal gym today. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.